This is one room. Darling. One room. A toilet that will be entered from here. And then this room en suite with that one. Na letiku block everything. Who's are the other? So okay. Eba from Eben Ununde. And we get up to wall keta. From wall to heading Eben. Eba no one in the yawo. From wall keta to Eben. Eba. Here the na cocoa. I keep no plantain na de keta, yawo grass. What? Me ya floor yard.
You know that you can keep segregate you
okay again. Here he ne ku edges, here edges. Edges di ma. When he was an that in nebu ko nebu. Oya ma do chi gafete ba ko are ko ya no. Oya bato because ndin na fu nebu. Then from Eben. Okay. So yeah, as low as possible. Na cocoa fence the too high. Monda na di na cocoa road like it 3 men. Then from Eben je to Eba. Ye went demarcation. Mbe kan go sigi na phone mo dey ho ye nwe. You got to Eba kita. You my good grass here this side. Grass at the other side. Mumu ha Sunday kuchareba. Mu rinja no mo ha. Center. Man o ha this straight concrete. Me go sigi. Ihe ya deke na phone now. So here remember then. Of course even here when Herika Jen house. They finished screeding the wall of the stairs. I think these guys have gone. Let me see if they're still here. Hello. Good morning. I was wondering if you people don't go because everywhere was so quiet.
No, we did not go. We wanted to go this morning. We now called John. John asked they will screed outside, but nobody know that they will screed outside.
I tell him the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday, I tell him, say, no, because we can't change the paint where we go use for outside. So now we go screed them. He still get energy. Or you want rich house?
No, because I say my colleague will be there together. I don't
You don't go.
Don't go.
So, hey.
You go come back with the other guy.
When they go come back?
Monday.
So you will fit stay alone till Monday. Okay now. We gonna bring food for you. Anyway, when they cook now.
Yes,
it's a big cook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you small money to add to your cooking ingredients. They're getting there, you know. When they are doing this block counting, it's usually very fast because they are paid according to how many blocks they lay in a day. So Olaga. Hey, me didn't get disturb kuno olugo kwala. Okay. See, it has gotten to window level. This is window level. 4 coaches. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could have window level. It's raining, no. It's raining. Look at this is the evening of the same day they started. You know, when they're doing this counting, they're rushing it because it's paid on a per block basis. So at the end of the day, they're going to count it and then they will be paid. hear the heavy rain coming. Let's go and do uncompleted BQ house tour. Hey. House tour. So this is the front. I'll be showing you the plan as I'm going. This is the window of the first room. The first room. This is the entrance. You go in here. We're going to use this room as a laundry room and store. This is an outside an outside toilet. In case you're out here in the garden, you can come here and wee. So this is an outside toilet, and this is okay. Let's go in. It's raining. It's raining. This is the toilet, and then this is the door, and then this is the room. Yeah, this is the window. This is the back window, and this is the bathroom to be en suite. This is the bathroom, toilet and bathroom. It's quite small, but yeah, I'm running. And this is like a front sit out. I'm running.
The next day.
They've added 2 more coaches today. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So soon ya lo topun kata. We are molding more blocks. Usually we mold our blocks because we heard that the block industry people, they get how many blocks can they water with 1 bag of cement? Get one, no? A guy that molds blocks gets 35 blocks maximum with 1 bag of cement. But the block industry people, gini ka the block industry like what?
This one, 5.
Block industry people, when they're molding 6 inches blocks like this, these are 6 inches blocks. They get 45 instead of 35 that Oga gets. What of 9 inches? The block industry 45 with 1 bag.
5 inches. And whatever 60 or 55 or 60. 5 inches.
Okay. But give one. I will go on 9 inches, so no kill what. Okay. With 9 inches, he also got 35 blocks from 1 bag of cement. In a hair mesh, I jog a mesh. He's so good at it, he doesn't measure the sand now. These are the ones he molded. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 9, 40. How 40 can kill it? You will like with a 40. This one is 40, eh? Okay. So yeah, this one he just molded. This one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. These ones he molded this morning will be ready for use the day after tomorrow. So 2 days of drying in this rainy season. The house is at lintel level. So 2 days of block work to get to the lintel level. See? See the tiny toilets where we'll be wee-weeing when we're in the garden. Come in here and wee-wee. And then this is the room. Room. It's a small room, very small room. 6 by 6 bed. I have a forever. Oh, 4 by 6. 4 by 6 in this corner. With 2 in one window. 2 in one window in the other direction. And this is this bathroom. Right, there's so much water in there. And then this is the store. We want to use this place as store and laundry room. So washing machine and sink will be on this side, and yeah, every other rubbish that we want to pack will be on this side. And then for the back here, I plan to put a clothing line or 2, like here, where I'll be spreading clothes here. Yeah, can even put some on the wall as well, like one on the wall that side, and then put the other ones here. Yeah. Another set of bamboo for screening. Need to make bamboo scaffold for screening the house outside. Tomorrow, the plan is to do the lintel for this. So we're going to use planks. Look at the planks here. Look at the planks that we use to do the lintel. Sunday, it was onye rod no ya bịakpa rod. Okay, so these are the planks that we will need. So when he comes, he's going to determine if this will be enough. These rods here will be enough. If not, we'll need to buy more. He's still molding the block. This is the 3rd bag, Abby. The 3rd bag of okay. So this is the 4th bag of cement that he's molding. Got the molded ones. Oh, look at them, how they are lined up like soldiers in a platoon. What and go bone a mold 9 inches hollow. And I went and remember see this one is 6 inches. It's not hollow. It's just a solid cuboid. Did he have me no but nankesi? Ila heti ya miri at all. Oh, dear, no.
The following day.
This morning, the iron bender is preparing the rods for the, what do you call it again? The lintel. So this one is called the stirrup.
Yes.
This one. And this one is the rod. Yeah. Then over here, the carpenter. Oh yeah, Hachiwa. You start laughing now. Hachiwa for her camera. Offer her camera, he'll start laughing once he sees camera. Our Nollywood star. So the carpenter is making the, what do I call it? What to hold the concrete when they pour it inside. Good morning. See that? See it? Under the windows, they have this one that will hold it in place. And then they will place those rods the guy is making inside these buckets. For lack of a word to describe it here, they're making buckets here. And later they're going to pour it inside. Later they'll cover this side as well, and it will form a U bucket. They're covering the blocks because it's about to start raining. We're in August, but no August break in sight. They just molded these blocks, so you have to cover them, else the rain will carry them and destroy them. Those ones were molded yesterday, so no need to cover them today. So you see, come rain, come shine, we'll be at the site. Go easy, rara. You see how it's raining, and I'm on site. Instead of me to be in my bed with my duvet, no way. Work continues. Don't mind my lips. I just finished eating ube now. The perks of being in the village when certain fruits are in season or whatever is in season. I eat corn whenever I want. I eat ube. You should be here, guys. You should be here. Niger day sweet, oh, Niger day sweet. Your brothers never come. Hey, are you communicating with them on the phone? Wait, let me call John. Let me find out what is happening, because boredom here will kill this boy here. He has been here alone since Thursday. Today is what? Today is Wednesday. Almost a week. It is raining. You see the rain? It is raining. Come and run around in the rain. It's only in Nigeria that you can do that. So the carpenter na-enye bribe ka eji elu ha mmiri. Hey! Ka akwu ha mama wee kwuo. Ha mama wee sị gị je dịka ije nye onye na-eji mmiri ego ka ọkwụ. Agwadị m na ihe nwa dị serious. Ọ kọla akọje. Ọwọ bribe gị ya na ikwesị ịkwụta ezigbo ụgwọ. Bribe bụ obere ego.
Na nke mmiri kwuru uche nwa.
Ujekwa n'ọzọ. Ya na-eme mmadụ ike a na-agwe.